Good morning, traders. Alla on August 24th. This morning market in extremely congested range. This is your key support. You cannot short. Price been respecting this support for the last 16 hours. Here is the software in front of you right now, showing you your trading range. We're stuck in extremely narrow trading range this morning. Why, oh why? For exact same reason. Institutions holding longs. Institutions enjoying the biggest profits in 100 years. Market doubled since March 2020 from 2200 to 4400 level. Not much work to do here, but to hold and to add to longs. Profits doubled. Holding longs and adding little here and there is the easiest way for big money to continue increasing profits. With the Alpha Fibonacci system, intelligent trader knows buying the market, not shorting the market, is the only brilliant thing to do. This is the software yesterday, as we discussed in class. This is precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. Trade is not on 3 minute. Trade converted to 3 minute so you can see precision. Ultimate stop, ultimate entry, ultimate target. This is what intelligent trader does. Trading with precision, respecting market as a stepping stone. Multiple trades played out. Right now, only shorts setting up. Every single short against Goldman, against BlackRock, JP Morgan traders. So if you decide to jump on bandwagon and to short the market, it's because you do not understand what institutions do. Intelligent trader demands powerful pullback, and only if you are extremely experienced trader, you can touch short with a very small lot size. Market moving quickly. What is the problem? Key support in front of you. This is where intelligent trader understands the reason not to short into. That's your trading range. We knew this before market opened. So again and again and again, powerful pullback is crucial. Again and again and again, we knew this well before market opened. It's a brick wall. It's not a space to enter into. This is key moment in front of you. Trader who took this trade, moving the stop outside of break-even, taking profits off the table now. Again, only trader who owns software understands the power of this and can place these trades. Again, Goldman, BlackRock, JP Morgan, big money buying the market. Intelligent trader knows this clearly. It's a little money, it's a little profit taking. If you choose to take this trade, you are either extremely experienced trader or you are trading very aggressively. However, again and again and again, at the market open, it is the only option. Nothing else available. At the market open this morning. We knew this well before it played out. So there is no surprise, all precise, again and again and again. This is the power of the software in very choppy market conditions. This is ultimate precision. This is intelligent, strategic, proactive trading. No speculation here. Precise entry, precise stop, precise target. And that's identical formula on any stock, any Forex, Bitcoin, anything you choose to trade. So an extremely dangerous and very narrow trading range, intelligent trader extremely knew, well before it played out, that this is where price would reverse from, that this is your trading range. Nothing else is possible, only this morning. Market is a stepping stone. This is ultimate precision with Alpha Fibonacci software during very choppy market conditions. We're moving to Dow as per request from my students. With a single click, I change the charts, all of my charts, 30 plus to Dow. Here's long on Dows that played out with Alpha Fibonacci software this morning. That's it. Your trading day is done if you took this trade. This is where you're exiting your trade. And again, and again, and again. This is purity and simplicity with Alpha Fibonacci rules. You can trade Dow. You can trade S&P. You can trade anything you choose. So there is no surprise where Dow crashing from. None are present. It's a very narrow trading range this morning. This is what intelligent trader knows. This is what intelligent trader understands. You cannot speculate, go for a random number of points. You cannot trade with random stop. You cannot trade with random targets. Only when you obey the rules, only when you prepare for your trade well, you will do extremely well. So this is a chart on Dow this morning. Extremely narrow trading range as well. Chart is identical to S&P. Identical. And that's two very different trades on S&P and Dow this morning with Alpha Fibonacci software that we discussed with students in detail. Everyone clear on this? The danger of this trading range? Yes. And again and again and again. As expected, exact same place on S&P. Reversal. That's it. That's S&P and Dow this morning. This is ultimate reminder. No matter if it's S&P, no matter if it's Dow, if it's Euro, if it's crypto, if it's stocks, if it's anything you trade, price is price everywhere. And your ultimate test as a trader comes in choppy markets. There is nothing else is possible. Only this morning. So institutions can afford to buy anywhere. Institutions doubled their money buying the market since March 2020. If you are trading your small account, if you are trading your little account, you are on sidelines. You are not touching this. This is simplicity. This is power. Brick wall, red line showing you this. We agree? Yes? So this is music to my ears, where my incredible traders know. This is so choppy and of course, yes, sure, have zero interest in pain. Zero. Only if you're trading someone else's money. Only if you already doubled your money, you can add to your position. But if you do trade your account, you are not touching this. It's a brick wall. Market is done. Intelligent trader understands from bold red line the only option to short from, not to buy into. And this is Alpha Fibonacci software during extremely choppy market conditions. When the red line is present, you do not buy. You're only interested in shorts. This is simplicity. This is power. In day trading, you operate as a sniper. Clear. That's it. If you took this short, you're taking profits off the table and moving your stop outside of break even. That's it. This is what students know. This is how students know to operate this software. So here's Alpha Fibonacci System on Bitcoin, bullish rally in progress many months ahead. You know that this is where Bitcoin would collapse from with high 80% probability. And that's exactly what happens when price heading higher. It's a quiet before the storm. It always is. Key support on Bitcoin, 44,000 level. So when Bitcoin in free fall, there is no surprise, all precise. Despite global convention in Miami mayor speaking that he will take payments in Bitcoin, Bitcoin keeps selling off. So what does the intelligent trader know? Trading by the news? Never a good idea. Trading with Alpha Fibonacci rules is a brilliant idea. Buying at this level is where intelligent trader taking position, not shorting Bitcoin near. And when Bitcoin reverses at this level, there is no surprise, all precise. That's it. It's your choice. Do you want to trade Dow, S&P or Bitcoin? Traders globally trading it all. So when I receive an email from student who exited Bitcoin before the crash, it's what brilliant trader does. But when trader chooses to trade different instrument, of course you can. Can you trade Nasdaq Absolutely. Can you trade options? Of course. Choice is yours. Price is price everywhere. The only difference, risk management and trade hold time. So when Mustafa quitting his job, it's because he obeys the rules. That's his decision on stocks he chooses to trade. But when I receive this email with this phenomenal performance on Forex, it's a stunning reminder of what's possible if you obey the rules. When S&P and Dow are stuck, they are trading it all. Genius, brilliant trader, here with us this morning. Simply obey the rules. So how Bitcoin skyrocketed again from reversal zone is no surprise. It's identical rules, ladies and gentlemen, during ultimate brutal vicious chop. Nothing else is possible, only this. On S&P and Dow this morning, we discussed this with students well before market open. This is your trading range. Nothing else is possible, only this morning. Obey the rules and understand where to enter, where to exit your trade. Do not speculate. Never, ever, ever. So if you decide to join us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. Please request invitation to the trading room to see the power of the system and review all the details on the website. System traded globally on all instruments. You can listen to podcasts. You can view stories of students. You can view movies students made about their lives. Every trader, different account. Every trader, different instrument. And when you decide to join us, please choose the option appropriate for you. Lifetime system for any platform, or lifetime software for Ninja 8, and lifetime system for any platform. This is the most popular option, with 3 months group course or 4 months private mentoring including it all. All group classes, video library, modules, trading room included in every package. So please, view what students do all over the world, because if these students can do it, so can you. You simply have to obey Alpha Fibonacci rules and identify instrument appropriate for you. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much. I look forward to the journey with you.